When can I open a Relay bank account? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that's been on my mind a lot lately. When can I open a Relay bank account? Context. I'm sure you've heard of Relay Bank by now. They're a new online-only bank that's been making a lot of waves in the financial world. They offer some really attractive features, like high interest rates on savings accounts and no overdraft fees. But there's one thing that's been holding me back from opening an account with them: their age restrictions. Relay Bank is only available to people who are 25 years old or older. I'm currently 24, so I'm not eligible to open an account yet. But I'm really curious to know when I'll be able to do so. Main content. So, when can I open a Relay Bank account? The answer is, it depends. Relay Bank's age restrictions are based on the type of account you want to open. For checking accounts, you need to be at least 25 years old. For savings accounts, you need to be at least 18 years old. However, there is a way to get around these age restrictions. If you're between the ages of 18 and 24, you can open a Relay Bank account with a cosigner. A cosigner is someone who is at least 25 years old and agrees to be responsible for your account if you default on your loan. So, if you're looking to open a Relay Bank account, here are your options. If you're 25 or older, you can open an account on your own. If you're between 18 and 24, you can open an account with a cosigner. If you're under 18, you can't open a Relay Bank account. Once you're eligible to open a Relay Bank account, there are a few things you'll need to do. Provide your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number. Provide proof of your identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Provide proof of your address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you've submitted all of the required information, your Relay Bank account will be approved and you can start using it. Benefits of opening a Relay Bank account. There are a number of benefits to opening a Relay Bank account, including high interest rates on savings accounts, no overdraft fees, no monthly fees, free ATM access at over 55,000 ATMs nationwide, online and mobile banking. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about when you can open a Relay Bank account, please feel free to leave a comment below. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additional tips. You can also open a Relay Bank account through a partner bank. Relay Bank offers a variety of account types, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and CDs. You can use your Relay Bank account to make online payments, transfer money, and pay bills. I hope this additional information is helpful. Thanks for watching.